My name is Bertrand Rodriguez, and I'm leading a team dedicated to innovative biotics and microbiota program at Lynside by LeSav. Well, we are all harboring the same kind of bacterial group in our guts, but we are also very unique in terms of the different proportions of those bacterial groups, and even if you go a step beyond at the very unique level of the strain, meaning the individual bacteria belonging to each species or genera. So that makes the unicity of each one's microbiota. But if we are coming back at higher level, we are all very comparable at the same time. We are talking about enterotypes. So in 2011, the researchers find a way to cluster the general population into sort of kind of boxes, which are called the enterotypes. So it's typically a sort of microbial signatures, meaning that one is more on this group and the other one is more on the other group. And it's usually based on, lifestyles, weather, food habits, and so on. So it's just a way to cluster people in different groups. Lynside Immunity Prebiotic is a yeast-based ingredient. So it is made from Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the baking yeast, the very common one. Our ingredient has a specific activity on the microbiota. And at Lynside by LeSav, we led several experiments to show this prebiotic activity. And one has been based on the different enterotypes that we were talking about before. And so each enterotype will have a specific response once being challenged by the ingredient. So if I can give you an example, a Prevotella enterotypes will have a promotion of the Prevotella group of bacteria. And if you go to Ruminococcus enterotypes, you will have the promotion of Ruminococcus bacteria in these enterotypes. So it means that it will be adapted depending on this microbial signature of the people, and it will not disrupt the overall balance of the microbiota. Lynside Immunity Prebiotic has a very specific biochemical structure composition. It's made of beta-glucan with a very specific linkages. So we will have to find a bacteria that is able to hydrolyze it, meaning that have the good tools to use it and to ferment it and to produce the metabolites. So basically we'll stimulate the very foundations of the microbiota. So the ones that can use those enzymes to hydrolyze the ingredient and then to promote the growth of others. So clearly the foundations first and then the bifido and lacto, for instance, at the end. When we are talking about prebiotic, of course, the crucial point will be the digestive tolerance, meaning not having this side effect, so discomfort during the consumption of the ingredient. So we led at Lynside by LeSav some experiments to show that once fermented, this ingredient produces a low level of gas, and especially if you compare it to the data that were generated with other prebiotics on the market. So clearly, there is also this kind of fermentation all along the different parts of the colon, rather than for other prebiotics, fermentation occurs at the very upper part of the colon, which usually makes those discomfort during digestion. I think the dose is also quite a crucial element in our product, a unicity of our product. So we have shown in our experiment that only 500 milligrams twice daily is able to have this prebiotic effect, so modulation of the microbiota composition as well as its metabolism. So it's very unique on the market. If you compare to other usual prebiotics, you can find a consumption of 2 to up to 10 grams of prebiotic to have this kind of effect. So it's very unique on the market. So clearly it's very suitable for the food supplement applications.